Oh boy, I can't believe that I started Come Steak with Me 2 years ago, and I was on the carnivore, and then I lost about 10 kilograms. And guys, then I fell off the bicycle. And yeah, it's time, it's now or never. I started on the 2nd of November 2025 again. I weighed 97 kilograms. Today is 6 days. I lost 3 kilograms. I'm so excited about that. Yeah, 10,000 steps a day. I live on a farm, so in the morning, 7 o'clock, I'm out of bed, and then 5,000 steps. And in the afternoon, 5 o'clock, I stroll again on the farm, another 5,000 steps. And that is my exercise, 10,000 steps in a day. I try, sometimes it's 8,000, but most of the days it's 10,000. Yeah, a little hat for the sun, and put on your sunscreen. And what is happening with my skin? I'm using essential oils, and my skin is just glowing. Um, I go to the fridge about 3 or 4 times a day, and then I take my butter, and it's just me, no one else. So then I just take a bite out of my butter, and that's also energizing me and making my skin just beautiful. And then there is another secret. Soleil. What is Soleil? Himalayan salt. You take 5 to 6 scoops of Himalayan salt, and then you put it in a liter of water, and then you just leave it about 5 6 hours so that that salt can dissolve in the water. And every morning before everything, I take a big 700-liter jug of water, warm water, and then I take 1 spoon of that Soleil water, and I pour it in my water, I stir it, and I drink it on an empty stomach. Guys, it's so good for my skin. It's so good for to keep me energetic. Um, do it. It's amazing what it can do for you. I don't drink any coffee this time. Um, it's hard because I was drinking 2 cups of coffee in the morning, and now suddenly I can't drink my coffee. But yeah, that big jug of warm water is helping a lot. So I don't even miss my coffee. I eat eggs and bacon, pork sausages, chicken, and steak, and I rotate it all the time. I bought 2 blocks of cheese, but I haven't yet put the cheese in yet. I will be doing that about in 3 weeks' time. And yes, I do allow myself a half a jug, 250 ml of milk in the evening. Um, if you know me, you know that I'm addicted to milk, and that is a very, very hard thing for me. I drank 1 liter of milk each night. So yeah, I'm down to a cup of milk in the evening. But like I said, it's working for me with the Soleil water and the carnivore diet, the 10,000 steps. I'm down 3 kilograms in 6 days. So yeah, follow my journey. And if you want to know more, you can comment in the comments. And yeah, I will answer all the comments. So follow my journey. Please subscribe and do this with me. I'm 57, and I'm feeling 20 again. So yeah, this time stick with me. I must do this. Look above and remember you are enough. And please subscribe.